We will never stop fighting for you, because we don't have to be voted for us to love you. We love black people. We will fight for black people. We'll represent them. 9% that we have in parliament, it is felt in America. It is very powerful. It is all over the world. The first black man to turn Oval Office into a cinema is speaking to you now. No one has ever done that in history except the man before you. So, comrades, it's not about those issues of numbers. It's about content. It's about superior logic. The issues that we raise, whether we're 9% or not, they are so powerful that they are felt all over Africa and the world. For example, unale mokhatlo mo ba re ke MK, unale more numbers than the EFF, mara ke di stupid combined ka moka ofela. Ba tshwana le ntata bona, same. Ha ba re ba bua ha utlwi next ka ko parlamente, ba tshwere di nomoro for nothing. So, comrades, let's make sure that 28th of May restore the power of the mighty EFF. This is a red train. This is an unstoppable train. No one is going to stand in front of it. If you stand in front of this moving train, we are going to crush you and proceed with the liberation of the African masses of our people. Comrades, 28th of May is a freedom day. Freedom is going to start here and spread all over South Africa. On the 28th of May, we are giving them warning, because 2026 we are taking over all municipalities in South Africa. But start now. Hebare, ntoya EFF, itadile ko kai unka puso. What 16 even in the history of the economic liberation of South Africa. Amandla! Viva EFF, viva! Tata EFF, tata!